So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Hulu videos not playing, browser, app and device troubleshooting. Fix 1 is refresh the app. Force close the Hulu app completely, then reopen the app by launching it again. Log out of Hulu and then log back in. Second fix is hard reset your device. Unplug the device by pulling the power cord out of the wall. Then wait for 60 seconds while the device remain unplugged. Plug the device back in and turn it on. Third fix is reboot your internet. Disconnect your Wi-Fi router from power. Leave it unplugged for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the light to stabilize. Fourth fix is clear the cache. In Android or Fire TV, navigate to setting on your device, then select apps from the menu. Find and tap on Hulu in the list of application, then choose the option to clear cache. In iOS or iPad, offload the app to free up storage space without deleting its data. Deleting the app if you prefer a complete removal. Reinstall the app from the App Store for a fresh version. Fifth fix is check for update. Update Hulu by visiting your device App Store, then check and install any pending software update through your device main setting. Thanks for watching.